Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh and today we are going to start our FPS survival series. So today I will teach you how to make a terrain for our FPS survival game. So I will create a project. I will name it as FPS tutorials. Okay, so I have selected 3D here, not HDRP or UPT, Universal Project Template, or you can see URP also. Then click create. Here we have our basic layout of Unity. So as you can see, here is our hierarchy window. Here is the scene, game, and then inspector, and here we will store our assets. So to create a terrain, just go to the 3D object and then click on terrain. Now as you can see, I have named it as ground. Now to move around in Unity, just right click and WASD. You can easily move here and there. So this should be the alignment for a terrain, like X, and up should be Y, and then D in the Z. Z axis should be in the forward direction. Okay, so here we have our terrain component. Here is the paint terrain and here is the terrain settings. In the terrain settings, there are some specific important detail resolution property, and here is our width. Detail resolution just gives the amount of details you want, and width and length specifies the amount of width and length you want to give to the terrain. Now we have given it a value of 4000. Now to give it a color, or is means texture, we will click on paint texture here and then edit terrain layer. So there are two options. Create layer. Whenever you create a first layer, it always get applied to all over the terrain. So here we have our grass texture. We will apply it all over the terrain. So just select that terrain and then create layer and then select that grass texture. So it is applied all over. Here are some maps. We will just to give it more, make it more realistic. Here is the brush size. So now as you can see, if you want the player to not look on the other side, you have to raise it. So for this, select raise or lower, and then you can select the type of brush you want, brush size, or you can control it by square brackets also. And the opacity controls the rate at which you want to increase or decrease the height. So I will create a border so that the player will not be able to see what is going on at the other side, right? So for this I am just clicking left click to raise and hold shift and left click to lower. Now to make it more realistic, more like a ground, I'm I'm randomly increasing height in between. Now I have imported these assets, FPS environment. I've given the link in the description. So whenever you put a asset, you always reset the transform. So I'm putting them randomly here and there, like this. Now you can see. Now if you will try to put the trees like this randomly, there are so many trees, and if you want to create a forest, that will be a very difficult task to put the trees randomly. So instead of doing this, what I will do is we will first delete these. Instead of these, we will take the help of terrain component. So before that, just extract the materials of the imported assets so that we can change the shaders of it, because terrain property requires a different shader. I will tell you about that. We have just extracted the materials. Now select all of them and then change the shaders to speed tree. Now for this, what we will do is, first we will reset the transform, and then we will make a prefab out of it. So like you can see here, if I will put them randomly, I will try to put them one by one, then it's a very difficult job, right? So instead of doing this, what I will do is I will first put that in the scene, then reset their transform, and then make a prefab of it. And similarly we will do this to make other prefabs also for other trees. So I've selected original prefab. Just like that, I've created 3 prefabs. I've decreased the tree density and increased the brush size, and in the selected that tree. So the heights are not I don't want heights to be that much random, so I've decreased I've put that slider like that. And similarly I'm putting other trees, edit tree and then add tree. I've put it those trees all over the terrain. I'm just randomly painting these trees all over the terrain. Now you can see, if I will try to move around, we can only see their true colors when we are too close to them. So to change this, go to the terrain settings, and then here you can see billboard start. Just increase its value to 2000. I think 2000 will be fine. Now I am putting some mushrooms here and there just randomly. Now to make it more realistic, more like a forest, we will add a tree and we will add the grass as a tree so that we can paint it all over the terrain. So I'm just putting those grass here and there randomly like this. So here we have our basic terrain ready, everything at the right place. So if you have liked the video, just please like and subscribe it.